Hello everyone, welcome again in your science class. As you already know that we had already discussed about weather and climate in your previous class. So today we are going to start with our next topic of this chapter, that is climate and adaptations, right? So let's start with the first, that is adaptation. Let's understand what is adaptation, right? So adaptation is basically the physical behavioral characteristic of an organism that help them to survive better in the surrounding environment, right? Means it is the process by which a species becomes fitted to its environment. Living things are adapted to the habitat they live in, and this is because they have special features that help them to survive, right? For examples, animal living in a very cold and hot climate, right? Because they have special features to protect themselves, right? All the animals have special features that help them to protect themselves from very extreme cold and a hot climate, right? As we know that polar regions, right? We know about polar regions, and we know that polar regions are covered with snow, and most part of the year it is very cold. Here in winters, the temperature reduces to minus 37 degrees Celsius, right? This much temperature is reduced during the winter season, and it's really not possible to survive in such a cold climate, right? But polar bears, we know that polar bears and penguins, you know about penguins? So polar bears and penguins live there. This is because of their special features that help them to adapt those severe conditions, right? So polar bears and penguins both have such a special features, right, that help them to survive in such a cold climate, that is about minus 37 degrees Celsius, right? So let's understand about the special features that polar bears have and how those special features help them to protect themselves in such a cold climate, right? Let's understand with the help of a flow chart, right? So the special features of polar bear are white fur, strong sense of smell, two thick layers of fur, long curved and sharp claws, and a layer of a fat under their skin. Now let's understand how these special features help them to survive in such a cold climate, right? So first of all, this white fur, right, that polar bears have. So this white fur is not easily visible in the snowy white background, right? And it will help them to protect them from the predators, and prey are also unable, the prey that they want to catch are also unable to see them, right? So this is the importance of the white furs that polar bears have. Secondly, strong sense of a smell, right? And this strong sense of a smell help the polar bears to locate and catch its prey, right? They want to catch the prey and they have a strong sense of a smell, and this strong sense of a smell help them to catch that prey, right? And third one is two thick layers of fur, right? And these two thick layers of fur keeps them warm in the cold climate, right? And fourth one is long curved and sharp claws, and these long curved and sharp claws helps them to walk on ice easily, right? And the last one is fifth one, that is a layer of a fat under their skin, and this layer of a fat under their skin also helps them to protect its body from cold and keeps them warm, right? So how these special features help polar bears to survive, right? One important thing is that these fur layers are too thick that protects them from extreme cold, right? And because of these fur layers they cannot survive under high temperature, right? So because of just these furs they can't live under high temperature, and so that during warm days they goes for swimming and they are very good swimmers. Polar bears are very good swimmers. While swimming underwater, they can close their nostrils and can remain underwater for a long time, right? Another well known animal that lives in polar region is penguin, right? Penguin can easily survive in polar region because penguin has also some important and special features that help them to survive under the conditions, right, under very cold climate, right. What are the special features of penguins? It also has a white fur, right. It also has a thick skin and a lot of fat to protect them from cold, right. And like polar bears, penguins are also good swimmers. This is all about that how the animals can easily survive in such a cold climate, means how they adapted such a cold environment, right. So this is the adaptation, right. This is one of the example, and this is all about your today's class, and next we will do in our next class. Thanks. Have a great day.